welcome to another video, and today is Vlogmas day 5. Now, as you can see from the title, today we are going to be making something a little different than we normally do. We're going to be making caramel popcorn. Now, this is one of my favorite types of popcorn. I like regular popcorn, but caramel popcorn is really nice. So I thought, since it's the holiday season, I'm going to try making it. I saw this little popcorn, this bag of popcorn that we had in here, and I didn't even remember that we had it on our site, and I said, you know what, this is the perfect opportunity to make it. So we're gonna make stovetop style. Yeah, this isn't the microwave ones. This one you have to do it on the stovetop,
or if you have a popcorn
or if you have a popcorn maker, you know, whichever one.
Which may, you never know, so we're gonna make it on the stovetop. You never know.
No, I know. Okay. So today we're going to be making everything from scratch. You're going to do the popcorn, pop it in our pot, and we're also going to make the caramel sauce from scratch too. So this is the pot we're going to be using. Nice, wide, big, you know, we're making a good amount so we can have some left over, put in the fridge. Just snack on it whenever we're ready.
We're not put popcorn.
They can put it. Or you can store it, yeah.
Okay, maybe
just somewhere, just somewhere dry. And then we're going to have our little saucepan here to make our caramel sauce. I'm making just a really simple one with just butter, sugar, and you know, just the regular basic stuff. So first we're going to do the popcorn. So we're going to go back to the stove. Alright guys, so we're at the stove now. Have our pot, and we're going to turn on our heat. I'm using one of the broader burners because this takes a little while to heat up, because it has a thick. Yeah, it has a thicker bottom. So I'm gonna put it to like about here.
Can it up look more?
A little bit more. And then like a little medium high heat.
Come with the butter.
So no, use this.
Can I use the butter? Or I use the oil?
Yeah, so I'm gonna use oil because it does it better than the butter. The butter will burn faster.
Okay.
So I'm going to, once my butter is heated up first, I'm gonna put in my oil, just a little thin layer at the bottom of it, and then we're going to pour in our popcorn. So when you're ready for that, I'll come back. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil at the bottom of it. Say about that is good. And then we're gonna just coat the bottom of it, because I don't want too much oil running off of the popcorn when it's time to combine it all together. I don't want too much oil running off of it. So I'm gonna let it heat up, and then we're gonna put in our popcorn. So I have a measuring cup right here. It measures about a cup. I'm gonna pour out 1 cup of the kernels, the popcorn kernels. Yeah. I want to see how much that gives me. I don't know if I'll need more. I'll put it in the pot. If I do need more, I'll add a little bit more. But this is the 1 cup.
No, you have to put in everything. When you put in one,
you have to put in
no, you have to just make it pop out. And if you want more,
if I want more, I'll pop again. Okay,
yeah. So I think it's ready. You know, it's ready down in there. It's kind of level it out.
But this is it at the moment now. So letting it do its thing. When it starts to pop, we'll come back and you guys will see it.
Through. That's why we're using it.
That's why I use this one, so you can see the popping
through. Yeah, the popping and how it's, you know.
Alright guys, so it's starting to pop now. You can see it, and you can also hear it that it's popping. See? You can see popping up in the pot like that. That's why I use this pot so you guys can see it.
This is nice to do with your kids. Like,
yeah, you can do it for like movie nights or whatever like that. Whichever
nights, whatever. Just find something in your house. You know, everybody try to stay home as a family now.
So we're gonna let it pop, and we'll see the volume of how much we get. If I want more, then I'll do more.
I mean, I think you want more because the oil if we're gonna get out of that.
Yeah, but
so it's getting real rampant now, fam. It's getting real rigorous. Wow. You can see most of the curd. You see that? Yeah. This is so cute though. I've done it a lot. I've done it before I started having kids. And then I didn't remember that I did it with your kids. Maybe do it with an adult. When you were all smaller. Not big people now. But to just have them seeing it through the top there, it's really It's just really nice. You see that? Yeah. So as it pops and most of it come up, we just go.
We'll show you once it's all finished popping. Okay guys, so it's almost finished now. As you can see, it's doing it to the final and it's almost full to the brim. We shake it up already. Mom did shake it up.
Once it starts popping, that means most of them are, you know, are popped. And sometimes you get a few where is the other call them like the little bad ones. They never pop. They never pop.
Or they may not pop.
You get a few at the bottom that may not pop.
That's okay.
So you see, you realize it's not popping as much. It's minimizing. Most of them have been popped out. But you can open it though, you know, until they're all popped out.
So we're just gonna leave it there on that lower heat that we have.
Yeah, yes. As soon as you see most of them pop out, you got to lower the flame.
Turn down the flame. And then once it's done now, we'll come back.
Shake it a few times.
Alright guys, so this is how
you wanna shake it, you know? Make sure it's on, the cover is on, and you try to shake it. So this is the ideal pot.
Alright guys, so now that the popcorn is finished, we're letting it just air out and cool down. We're going to do our caramel sauce in this pot. So I have my butter here. And I'm gonna use. And this we're
using the real butter, not margarine.
Yeah, this is the real butter, not margarine. So I'm gonna use about a third of this butter. Yeah. So we're gonna use about a third of the butter. We're going to let the butter melt down first, and then we add in the rest of the stuff after. So we're gonna let the butter melt first. Alright, so it's almost fully melted now. I have the pot on like a little medium to high heat-ish.
Pot bottom thick, you know.
Yeah, and this pot bottom is a bit thick.
I think you should.
Oh, how high I was supposed to have
it for the sugar. Now to put in the stuff.
Alright. So I have 1 cup of compact brown sugar and a ½ cup of granulated sugar. I'm gonna add brown sugar, granulated sugar.
Guys, I'm behind the camera and I know some me not know good with the camera.
I'm gonna stir this in. So now that this is stirred in a little, in all of the stuff they use corn syrup, but I don't really have corn syrup, and this was just a little last minute something like that.
But you should make simple syrup then.
No, but they said you can use honey also. Okay. So I'm going to use a little bit of honey, nothing much, like that.
Yeah, you don't use a lot.
Because they didn't use a lot of corn syrup.
No, they don't. They don't use lots of corn syrup.
So
anything.
Now that we have all of that, I'm leaving it on the heat for it to start to become syrupy.
Turn down the stove. You can put a little, you have to make the thing, yeah. You can put a little vanilla.
Yeah. No, that's going in there too, but I have to let this completely come down. I have to let this reduce completely. So I'm going
sugar granules melt.
Yes,
dissolve, so to speak.
So I have to let the sugar granules completely dissolve, and then now when it starts to, bubble up, then I will add my vanilla, and then I'm going to add a little baking soda, just like a teaspoon, I think, or half a teaspoon of baking soda. Maybe half a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the popcorn now that it's kind of settled and cooled down a little bit. Leave it to air out a bit just to cool it down. This is how much, and this is how it looks inside there. As you can see, most of it is popped out. I don't think I have any that like leave back, but I'm not really sure.
Did take out some.
And then there's some over here that I took out already to put the sauce on it, the caramel sauce on it. So we're trying to finish up the caramel sauce and then we'll combine it all together. Alright guys, so I added just a little bit of baking soda in there, and it helps it to foam up a little bit, so it kind of gets that light kind of creamy consistency look. And now we're going to turn off the stove, let it rest down a little bit, and then we're going to pour it onto the popcorn that we have over there. Guys, so finish the caramel sauce, that's the consistency of it, and then we're going to pour it onto the popcorn. Oops. Yeah, it did stick up to it. So we're pouring it onto the popcorn now, and then we are going to stir it up.
I think we want a more caramel on this and more. Look nice though. Wow, so it sticks now.
Yeah, so it's supposed to stick up to it like that. So we're going to combine it all together. Yeah, pour it the other side.
I thought too sweet now. Alright, I'll use something else and bring it together.
Alright guys, so we're tossing it around.
And the caramel sticks to the popcorn. Yeah, but I think this is good. It's nice. It tastes nice.
So what we have to do now after this is we are going to leave it on the counter just to cool down, because that caramel sauce is very, very hot.
Very hot.
And the popcorn is hot because it is.
The popcorn cool down.
Oh, the popcorn cool down, but when you take the caramel, it's going to be hot. So we're going to let it cool down, you know, just come together and stick to each other and stuff, and then we're going to taste test this.
Yeah.
Taste test it.
This is good for you and your kids to make together family in the holiday season. If you're decorating the tree, your kids and your grandkids, I think this is a nice
also if you
gesture.
want it a little bit more like spice on there, you can maybe sprinkle a little cinnamon.
Yeah,
you can sprinkle.
We did put a little vanilla. I think this is nice. This is cool. This is really pretty. Leave it for
come together. Yeah. So if you want to add a little cinnamon or something to it, then you can do that also. Okay guys, we're back. It's finished. This is the finished product of how it looks. You can see how like glossy and shiny it is. And now we're going to taste this. You know what you see? Okay. So now we're going to taste test it. Hands are clean and everything. And it's all popcorn. And you eat popcorn with your hands anyways. So you see it comes up in like a cluster. That's how yes, that's how it's supposed to come up like a cluster.
Your daddy down there real. This is nice. Wow. What's a little vanilla? It's good.
You can taste the honey also.
Everything.
It's not
nice
too sweet.
Blend. No, it's not too sweet. It's really good. And even when it gets even until tomorrow, it's gonna be even more. It's so nice.
When it starts to get when it starts to get more hardened, it will taste like a bit
warm. You know,
it's still warm.
Well, so you have to finish the video because you wanna go to class. But this is good.
This is really good.
Really good.
This can become addicting if you don't know yet. I also haven't had popcorn in a very long time.
And the pot there, can just melt a little butter.
Yeah.
And just
so we have some left back in the pot. Here is melt butter. And
we're going to store it in paper bag. And so, put it in the fridge, melt a little butter.
Kind of have butter popcorn. So this is how simple and easy it is for you guys to make your own caramel popcorn at home.
At home. With your family, with your boo, with your grandkids.
As I said, if you want to dust like a little, you know, maybe cinnamon powder or something over it if you done. Sure.
It's good, it's nice.
But this is good though.
Really good.
I know some people want a little spice, like a little holiday spice. You can put the cinnamon powder in there while it's or something there.
I put in a little something that you have, but like when you dust this, I think you can just dust it over it. Also, could dust the things that you use to dust the cinnamon powder.
But this is really good, yeah.
Which is good.
10 out of 10. Approve.
Comment.
We should start making this every December now.
Yeah, every December.
Every December.
Every December.
I just can't make the rest of the year.
We can't make the rest. Every December, family.
Can be like a little holiday tradition, like if you're having movie night or anything like that.
We want a movie theater room now.
This is really good.
And what to the Pepsi?
No, Pepsi. No drink. No popcorn and Pepsi.
What you drink? Where you eat popcorn? With
no water.
Oh, the regular popcorn you eat?
Yeah.
You drink. Yeah, go and for it, my lad, mom.
This is really, really good, guys.
It's really good, fam. You should try it.
If we sit down right there, so we do like in front of you. I do. But
and it's so warm, isn't it?
No, that's what
you get warm popcorn when you go show and get popcorn warm and now.
Yes, but I like show popcorn.
Homemade is the best.
Homemade is the best. Which is why I haven't had popcorn in a really long time.
This thing is so addicting. It could be more than much in it. If they want, they can leave the measurements of what
I'll put
use.
the stuff that I used on the screen right here so you guys can see it. Just for the caramel sauce, it's really easy, honestly.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just a little, you know, just some little stuff we're trying for the holiday.
Memories with me and my daughter.
So
till me get my granddaughter.
Side eye. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.
I'm sweating, please.
Yeah, in here is really hot. So we're gonna end the video now. Vlogmas day 6.
5. How we are gonna go?
A 5. Next one. I mean next one. The next video coming up.
Oh, you're telling me to Vlogmas?
Yes.
Oh.
Vlogmas day 6 coming up next. So stay tuned.